Good morning, class 9. Today we will continue our fourth chapter, that is structure of atom. In the last video, we have discussed about the how subatomic particle electron was discovered. Today we will discuss about the discovery of proton. So let's start. Students, subatomic particle proton was discovered by E. Goldstein. E. Goldstein taken a discharge tube, which is a cylindrical glass tube, in which two metal electrodes are fitted at its two ends. One is connected with the negative terminal of battery, that is called cathode, and second is connected with the positive terminal of battery, that is called anode. When E. Goldstein filled this delivery tube with the gas like hydrogen gas and other gases and reduced the pressure of the gas inside the test tube by using the vacuum tube and passed the high voltage of electric current, then he was observed that the rays are produced or streams are produced from the positive electrodes. As you can see here in the figure, these are the streams of positive rays, and these rays are named as anode rays. These anode rays are consist of positive charge particle because they are produced from the positive electrode, so they are called anode rays and they consist from positive charge particle. These positive charge particles are named by Goldstein, that is protons. Proton carry positive charge. Now we will discuss the characteristics of protons. In their characteristic, we will discuss the mass and the charge of proton. When we are talking about the mass of proton, we will discuss the first is absolute mass. Absolute mass of proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. And if we are talking about the relative mass, means when the mass of proton is comparing with the other elements, then that is called its relative mass. In case of proton, in the discovery of proton, the nature of proton is also depends on the nature of gas filled inside the delivery tube. It means if we are taking the different types of gases inside the tube that affect the mass and the charge of protons. Mostly we will take in the hydrogen gas inside the test tube because it is the lightest element and their atom is also lightest. So mostly we will take in the hydrogen gas inside this tube. Now here absolute mass, I told you it is 1.6, means exact mass. That is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24, while their relative mass we will use 1 unit, 1 U. Next is charge. Proton carry positive charge, so their relative charge is, we will use the charge of proton is +1. But the absolute charge present on proton, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb positive charge. In case of electron, it was negative charge, and here it is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 positive charge. So this is about the second subatomic particle, proton. Next we will discuss neutrons. Thank you.